Did you know the ancient Egyptians buried a giant solar boat beside the pyramids? A vessel meant to carry the pharaoh across the heavens? This massive wooden ship, over 4,500 years old, was hidden underground in perfect condition, waiting to be discovered. It wasn't just a boat, it was a sacred vessel to join the sun god Ra on his eternal journey across the sky. A masterpiece of engineering, mystery, and faith, the pharaoh's ticket to immortality. Want to uncover more secrets of ancient Egypt? Hit subscribe and turn on the bells so you don't miss out.